Guess what this is? Guess what this is? Stay down! Oh my God. Hirap na hirap ako maghanap ng bag as a corporate girly na convenient and fashionable. First is may backpack ako, pero most of the time, naruruwi ng backpack ko yung aesthetic or yung OOTD ko. Okay? But I am bringing a laptop with me sa work from time to time. So, minsan talaga kailangan ko ng backpack kasi yung ibang handbags ko ay hindi kasya ang laptop ko. So, I scrubbed the whole internet, okay? Sinuyod ko ang buong internet to look for a bag na kayang mag-accommodate ng laptop and fashionable siya pag walang kang dalang laptop. Like, girly pa rin siya tignan. To solve that problem, hinanap ko to. And nakita ko siya nung 9.9 exactly. Let's open this one. Okay? Sky! Baby, can you come down, please? Hindi ko alam kung masusurprise ako, kung madidisappoint ako, kung magagandahan ako. Because this cost something. Okay, hindi siya kasing mahal ng mga branded bags ng iba dyan. But it still cost me something. So, I want this to be, of course, magagamit ko. Because ayoko naman magsayang ng pera. So, again, this is the first time. Kaya, kung katulad ko kayo na naghahanap ng bag na, alam mo yung, ayoko kasing, parang terno-terno tayong namamasyal. Parang, naka-uniform tayong namamasyal. So, parang iba-iba naman yung bag natin. Oh my God! It's here! Ah! Ba't naman itong buksan? Oh my gosh. I hope I would not regret you. Maganda siya. Gusto niyo ba siya makita? Oh my gosh. Gusto ko yung ganitong leather. Yeah. Oh my God, it's so pretty. And, if you twist it.
So from here on, voiceover na lang po ang maririnig nyo. Hindi na live recording ng pag-check ko ng bag. I was checking the space inside the bag. And yes, kayang-kaya niyang mag-fit ng 13-inch na laptop at marami pang gamit. The leather is also good, para siyang scratch-proof. So kung gusto niyo ng bag na minimalist, walang glaring na logo, maganda yung material and quality, and hindi bubutasin yung bulsa niyo or uubusin yung paycheck niyo, just message me. I'll help you look for the bag. Yung gusto niyong design, hahanapan ko kayo. So just do not be shy to send your inquiries.